slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? ireview stuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking a look at these blue Off-White Air Force Ones. The MCA, I believe. So obviously it is a UA pair, so if you don't like that, you can go on another channel, I guess. But yeah, super limited shoe. Gonna take a look at these real quick. These are from UAShoe.com. If you guys are new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, drop a like, and last but not least, turn on notifications for the channel as well. Not gonna take too long on this video, but yeah, let's get into it. So these took about a week to arrive, not too long, but yeah, like did come double boxed, all that sort of stuff, so you can rest assured that your stuff's gonna get to you on time and in good condition. So unless something happens and they bang up your box, but shouldn't happen. So here is the information of the seller. So website, Instagram, WhatsApp, and the email right there as well. So take a look at all that. Pretty much it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these shoes for sure. Kind of a decently hard shoe to wear since they're all blue, but you can put them with quite a bit of fits honestly and have it look good. So yeah, just had to double check that zip tie because I didn't even look at these shoes real heavy anyways. So this is the box they come in, so you can take a look at that. There's the retail tag, Air Force One 07 Virgil 12 University Blue, and you can see the suggested retail right there as well as like a little laminated Nike sign right there. These are a personal pair, size 12 of course. On the inside, nothing crazy, I'm sure you guys know by now. You probably watched like legit videos on these. So if I can find them, it does come with an extra pair of laces. So there's those with blue. There's the Nike right there. Should have text on the other side. So yeah, it does have shoelaces text on that side as well. I wouldn't wear them, it's just too much blue, so it's nice that they included them, but honestly I'm gonna wear them with the white laces regardless. So throw those back in there, just the regular paper, nothing crazy. And now let's take a look at the shoes. So here are the shoes. Take a look at them. The blue is definitely correct on these. I know the first few batches had like either a really dark shade of blue or a really light shade of blue, and this blue is honestly perfect. So like that. Leather quality is really on point on these as well. It's nice, like soft buttery leather, so I like that as well. You can see the air text, Nike swoosh. You can see a difference in stitching color where the orange tag is as well. There's a swoosh. Toe box looks on point on these as well. This side, you can see a text. There you go. So I don't know if many of you noticed, but I have worn like my MoMA, the black pair of these, down to the ground, as well as the Complex Con white pair. So they are my favorite of the Off-Whites for sure. Even better than the like initial, like the 10 drop Off-Whites. Because I like the Air Forces from that drop too, but I just like this basic like leather construction a lot more than like the plasticky stuff they use on those. So that's just me. Let me know your guys' thoughts for sure. But you can see the rest of the shoe back there. On the inside you got the Nike swoosh and the Off-White logo. Got the size tag right there as well, size 12. Exposed foam here on the ankle area. And then the tongue, I was going to say the tongue. Got the blue. And yes, that's exactly how it's supposed to be on this shoe, because I've had the, like I said, the black and the white as well, and it's the same tag. It's not the same tag you're going to get on the 10 Air Forces from the initial collection. There's the laces, shoelaces in blue. You can see how I laced them up. That's exactly how I'm gonna wear them. Nothing crazy. But yeah, quality astounding on these. You can see the nice light blue, baby blue all over. Air text is on point. Text on this side seems to be on point as well. This shoe, there you go. Quality again on point, so I don't have any gripes about that. You see even the stitching on the back is perfect. There's that side with all the text, so you can check that out. Not gonna bore you too long with this video, guys. It's literally just another colorway of the same shoe we've seen before, but of course I did want to cover them because I personally like these, despite me usually wearing black and more like toned colors like that, like dark tones. This is definitely a newer shoe for me, and it's nothing crazy, like it's nothing super out there since the whole shoe's blue. Relatively easy to wear, and UNC like inspired colorways have always been like pretty simple to wear, especially with low top forces. So yeah, toe box. Check out the zip tie real quick. So it is correct, that's exactly how it's supposed to be. See, 2017 zip tie. So that's good. See the tongue, tag, a little bit of a loose thread here, nothing, can't just pull off. You can just easily pull this stuff off and you're good. So that's pretty much it. I don't really know if I want to talk about this shoe too much longer. It is a dope shoe. I am definitely a fan. Nothing crazy or super out there, but let me know your guys' thoughts on these. The last time I checked StockX, they were going for $2,000 to $2,300, so they're expensive flex for sure. Me, I'm not the type to care. I'll just wear them regardless. If someone asks me or compliments me, if that's fine, I don't really care at the end of the day. Like honestly, I'm not the type to care. So if I like a shoe, I'll wear it. End of story, basically. So that's pretty much it. Let me know your guys' thoughts on these in the comment section down below. Are they heat? Are they a drop for you? I know a lot of people obviously aren't willing to pay that much for a pair of shoes, but you can get them for the low if you know where to look. Hint, hint. Not gonna condone buying any of this stuff, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So with that being said, hopefully y'all have an awesome day. Stay blessed. More here on the way. I do have a couple pairs of those Balenciaga LED shoes with the LED on the back that lights up, so those are pretty sick. See if the size 11s that I got fit me. That's 2 sizes down from what I usually wear. These are 12. I usually wear 13, 12, so these should be fine. Those 11 Balenciagas, I don't know if they don't fit, I'll just sell them to a friend locally. I don't sell anything to like you guys see what I buy. If you want to buy from the sites, cool, do it. I don't condone it, but if you don't want to, then that's fine too. Like it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. So like I said, hopefully y'all have an awesome day, and I'll check you guys in my next video.